So this is a drawing I did in 1987. It's called On the Range in Cupar. And come closer here. Oops, try not to kill myself. Just gonna go clockwise. There's a bunch of cows here. It says ready roast chicken there, upside down with the legs in the air. This is the main star of the drawing here. This cow, it was like down the road somewhere along there, I remember. We've got, looks like Vistula River herrings and gefilte here. I don't know what that creature is, and more cows, I guess. Sheep, maybe? I don't know. Okay. Great, there we have it. Thank you so much.